Okay children, find the 10th term of the AP 5, 1, minus 3, 7. Here given AP is 5, 1, minus 3, 7. Here required to find out 10th term, which is denoted by A10. Here A10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Since AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A means first term in given AP. D is the common difference in given AP. Here A means first term is 5. 10 minus 1 means 9. D means difference between second term and first term. Second term is 1. First term is 5. A substituted first term. 10 minus 1 given 9. D means second term minus first term. Second term is 1 minus first term is 5. 5 plus 9 into 1 minus 5 is equals to minus 4. 5 plus 9 into minus 4 minus 36. Here 5 plus into minus minus 36. Here 5 minus 36 is equals to minus 31, which is the A10. Therefore, here used formulas are nth term formula AN A plus n minus 1 into D, which is used. Another one is common difference formula. D is equals to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3, like that.